Hi guys, welcome to our family vlog, and tonight we are enjoying a wonderful dinner outing at Pizza Express. This place holds a very special place in our heart because this is one of Avir's favorite go-to restaurants, and he specially comes here to try their mushroom with emulgrana bake. So as we walk in this restaurant, the warm and inviting atmosphere instantly make us feel like home, and the staff is also very friendly and welcoming. So we start off our dinner with some delicious appetizers, and let's see how our dinner time is going to look like.
Mushroom cake of calabashi without red chilies. And dessert which you chocolate chip.
So here we are ordering our favorite combo for two over here, and mostly when we come here we order that, and I think that is more than sufficient for us. And yes, let me share what we really ordered here.
Calabrese veg.
Calabrese veg. Are you okay with it? Here Avir is waiting for food.
He is very hungry. And hungry. Are you hungry? Oh, he's sleepy. Let's go home.
Let's go home. No, Papa. Why will we go home? इतना खाना कौन खाएगा जो order किया?
Favorite restaurant is it?
I think we are coming here for the
Nth time.
time. At least 50 times तो हमने यहाँ पे आ गए होंगे और same menu खाया हर बार. अभी कुछ तो different choose कर लो यार.
नहीं, same नहीं खाया. So we used to have dough balls with Nutella sometimes.
Yeah. हाँ, dessert सारे try किए.
Desserts सब try किए. And then we had vanilla cheesecake, chocolate cheesecake. Then we had and then we also had that chocolate pastry, fudge cake, chocolate fudge cake.
Yeah, we have tried all the desserts.
All
Now
the
we
desserts.
can't wait for the food to arrive, है ना?
Now we remember their menu by heart.
Yeah.
Yes, Abhi. Even I am hungry.
What is this which has come finally? I have not ordered any drink today.
You want to have?
No, I'll have a sip from you.
I told Uncle not to put ice in yours. You have a cup.
Now we are waiting for our first starter. Yes? So here Avir's favorite starter is here, which is mushroom with emulgrana bake. So just see how he likes to eat it. And see how we do it. We take the bun. And then we just stuff it with the mushroom inside.
So that Abhi can
Like a pav bhaji. Not a pav bhaji, sorry. Like a
vada pav.
vada pav.
It's not okay to blow and eat.
So Avir is eating it like a vada pav. How is it? Now the main starter has come for me. This is the starter which I order every time, and it's called Spinedidi chicken. It's very healthy as compared to other things that are ordered here in Pizza Express, so I really love it. One thing which we really noticed this time around was that the service was very slow. We had to wait also for a very long time. Maybe it was because it was a Sunday, don't know, but then yeah, little bit lag in service for sure. So here I am enjoying my favorite starter, which is called Spene Didi chicken, and majority of the times this is something which I have as my whole meal. And next time if you are going to Pizza Express and you enjoy non-veg, then I would recommend this amazing dish. It is marinated pieces of chicken which is served with olives and greens on the side along with some fruits. Oh my god, and now the star dish, and it has 3 kinds of cheese into it. Where is this? Interestingly, we were served a wrong pizza over here, and we didn't realize that we were served a non-vegetarian pizza along with lots of spices in it. We had ordered a pizza which was a vegetarian Calabrese pizza, and we had requested for no spice at all. But it was only after we took few bites of this pizza that we realized that it was a wrong pizza served to our table. Yeah. Don't worry, we have ordered chocolate cheesecake. I would suggest you eat these chicken skewers, okay, how much ever is remaining, and then you eat the pizza how much you like. तो हमारे टेबल पे गलत पिज्ज़ा आ गया था, है ना अभी? Now they are replacing our pizza because we had ordered without chili and veg pizza, and they bought Calbee's non-veg pizza for us, and it was having chili in it which we didn't want, so they are replacing it now for us. Sent our pizza to someone else's table and now they are checking. So they checked and now they are replacing our pizza. It will take 10-15 more minutes, so yeah, we are waiting.
See, we have to start it from here, and then the car should, it should be in between, the it should not fall.
Okay. This line and this line.
Okay. This is very close. Okay. Yeah. Why did you touch? You don't have to touch.
No, but it's not here. That's why.
Now it's your turn. Oh, fire. Oh.
Everyone will get two chances. Start to be hard to get two chances.
Wow!
Second chance. I'll be the king.
Awesome!
Yeah, I got two, but you even got two. We both got two. Please don't get it. Yes!
ये तो नीचे गिर गया था नीचे गिर गया था
Please don't do it. Please don't do it. Last. Okay.
So finally our pizza is here.
Naveen, do you want to eat?
To eat it.
So let's check if it is spicy or not. It's easy, right?
Nice? Yeah, he liked it.
Okay. I am just removing this, okay?
I will keep it here and eat it. I don't need a plate.
I'm happy you're eating the slice and you liked it. And now Avir is savoring his dessert, chocolate cheesecake, finally. We are almost done eating. We are about to leave. We were a bit disappointed with the service today. But overall, food was nice. है ना? Taste was fine, service was not good. Maybe because it was crowded, that's why. They were confused, yeah. Even for his dessert, they were confused. To top off the evening, we indulged in this delicious chocolate cheesecake, which is simply irresistible and was a perfect end to our meal. So we are done and ready to go now. Thank you for joining us on our family dinner outing at Pizza Express. It's always a joy to share these special moments with you all as well, having unexpected surprises and all that in the midst. Until next time, happy dining and have a great time. Thank you for watching today's video and I'll see you guys next time very soon with more such videos. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Mommy Tales India. Bye and take care.